Look at the date, December 24th. The world is celebrating its own mediocrity. While they drown in sugar and small talk, you are standing at the edge of your own obsolescence. The person you promised to become is a corpse. You killed him with comfort. You buried him under a mountain of cheap dopamine and cowardice. Your current existence is not a life. It is a slow-motion suicide. The diagnosis is terminal. Your prefrontal cortex has been subverted. Your basal ganglia, the primitive reptilian core of your brain, is now your commanding officer. You are a biological puppet. Every scroll, every hit of sugar, every hour of wasted sleep is a digital syringe. You have forced your dopamine baselines into the floor. Your neural pathways are decaying from disuse. You aren't waiting for the right time. You are waiting for the grave. The path of least resistance leads to the scrap heap. The next 7 days are not a holiday. They are an emergency reconstruction of a failing system. The protocol begins now. Phase 1, digital amputation. For the next 168 hours, your smartphone is a brick. The internet is a restricted zone. Sever the connection to the collective hive mind. If it provides entertainment, it is a poison. If it offers an escape, it is an enemy. Cut the cord or remain a slave. Phase 2, metabolic shock. Your body is a soft vessel for a weak mind. Initiate physical attrition every morning. Cold water immersion to trigger the survival response. Heavy mechanical load to force the nervous system to adapt. You will eat for function, not for flavor. If your body is not screaming, you are not working. Phase 3, cognitive dominance. Operate in total isolation. Silence is the only environment where you regain control. Write down the objectives, execute them with clinical precision. There is no trying. There is only the ritual of completion. Move with the cold logic of a machine. Your feelings are irrelevant. Your exhaustion is a lie. The price of this reconstruction is your current identity. You must burn the loser you have become to provide heat for the man you need to be. If you fail this week, do not look for another reset. Accept your role as a background character. Go back to the numbness. The world has plenty of room for ghosts. Decide now. The clock is bleeding.